Yes. Now it.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Yes.
How, ma'am? How are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. I know you little bit about you, but I have forgotten. So, and it is also required for our viewers. So, I would like to know a little bit more as introduction about you. So, please give your introduction in short.
Sure. So, well, my name is Izrail. I am from Bihar. I'm intermediate pass. Talk about my hobbies. So I love to attract new people. I love to watch English content,
Mhm.
and moreover, I run YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos, and I'm talking to you from the Kuwait now. Yeah, that's all about.
Thank you, thank you. Then, do you think that it is necessary to give my introduction here now?
Yeah, if you want, I
Okay,
don't
thank.
say.
Yeah. So, okay. I am telling my name. That my name is Ruby. It is known to you. I am from Assam. I mean, Tesla. I am running two YouTube channels. And
Mhm.
apart from this, I am a child counselor. So that's all about me in short. So Israel, have you selected any topic? Do you have any topic? Then I like to go through this topic. Or if you don't have, then we can go randomly.
Yes, so I have a small topic. Okay, so let's talk about what is the financial freedom, ma'am.
Financial freedom.
Freedom.
It is all about the human beings, or there should be categorized like age or like gender or all about in human being,
All about human being, ma'am.
all about human being. So actually I am not expert in this part, that's why I like to tell here this. uh, Economic, your question was economic freedom, right? Am I right? Your question was economic
Right.
freedom. Economic freedom, if anybody asks me, my answer is
Yeah, financial freedom. It
huh?
is very important in
Hmm.
our life, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, 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 you're right. So
It is very,
we
yeah.
should independent. It means everybody should have the earning source. If we are able to earn ourselves, then that is one of the most important features to have the freedom of economically. Suppose if we depend on the other person, no, in that type we are unable to spend uh, our money as our wish. So we should have our own earn, and yeah, this is the most, as I told you, this is the most important features of freedom of economics. Or if we go as family, no, suppose if one father is running the family and only he is earning, and he is working in a private sectors where he is getting the salary but not the sufficiency. In that time also I think there is something stuck in the freedom of economy. So in that time, I think he should work himself. He should start up and to earn himself. So this is the my answers. I will not like to elaborate here more comfortably or nicely. So I would like to know from your mouth first. Then I will tell something. Okay.
Yeah, really. So I'm going to tell you, ma'am, what is the financial freedom. So I
Mhm.
can say, first of all, financial freedom is very, very important, man. First of all, we have to good job that we can run we can run our family very properly. If you don't have good job, we are then we will not able to earn money. Then uh, running family it will be very difficult. Okay, and if you are earning money. So suppose you are earning 20,000 rupee and 25,000 rupee, we must have knowledge that we should save 5,000 rupees per month. Okay, then it will work for our future. Lots of persons, they are able to earn money, but they are not able to save money, ma'am. Okay,
mm,
and after getting well, they regret. Okay,
mm,
and people will fun of them. Okay,
mm,
so we must have knowledge that how to save money, right? How to earn money and where to save money. We must have knowledge. There are lots of way to save money like percentage limit in Sahara. So many things. I think you must have no, and we can the people lots of people who are men who have good mind. Okay, so they purchase flight, they purchase land for their future because
mm,
they must know that now I'm young, so I can earn money. If I will get old, so I will not able to earn money. Okay, so for their future they are earning some money, or they are saving money for their future. Okay, but if I am talking about who is able to earn money and who is not able to save money. Okay, so we must have knowledge the how to save money, and we should save money for our future. It is called financial freedom. Okay, we must have knowledge, right?
mm,
Because lots of people in my I have seen many people in my village. They purchase buffalo, cow, for their running a family. The milk, the cow and the buffalo, they give milk. After giving milk, they selling, they sell the milk. After selling milk, they get some money. After getting some money, they run their family, right?
yes,
And
right.
you must have knowledge one thing that how to spend money, ma'am. Okay, we have to limit. We have to not be unlimited. Okay, suppose you are running only 1,000 rupees one day, so we have to spend 800, and we have to save 200 rupees for our future, for our career. Suppose if you don't have money, okay, and we face some problem, then what will you do?
Yes, that's why saving is one of the most features on to have the freedom of economy, right?
Right,
Yes,
right.
yes,
And
yes, yes.
we should note if we have, enough money, then we can purchase good cloth, okay, and good expensive car, good bag. So many things we can able to purchase. But if you don't have enough money, then you should not purchase expensive car, expensive bag, and expensive clothes. We must have knowledge all things. After that we can run our run we can run our family properly, and we will be able to save money. That money, it will work our future. I have seen many people, ma'am, who are lots of people, they are in hospital, right? They don't have enough money to treatment. Okay, and just because of money, just because of money, there are lots of beggar, they are asking money on the bus stop, on the platform, and everywhere. Okay,
Yes.
you must do all thing, ma'am, in our career.
Sorry,
Right?
will you repeat the question again? I was unable
Yeah,
to hear. I was I was unable to hear what you have said in last two sentences. Will you repeat again?
yes, I'm saying, ma'am, lots of person, they are facing some problem. They are in hospital, they are in their hospital, and they don't have, enough money to treatment. Okay, and lots of beggar, they are on the bus stop, they are on the platform, and they are asking money from the other person, right? So you must have knowledge of how to spend money and where to spend money.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So what do you think, madam? Are you thinking about your future or not?
Uh, you, your question is that what I'm thinking that what is the another features to have the freedom of economic that we should have the we should save our money or not, or how should we can earn more, right?
Right, right.
Yes. So yeah, whatever we earn, we should save little way at 20%, at least 20% from that part. This is very necessary in our accidental time when we feel in any accidents like disease. If we need the hospitality, in that time, that money works uh, very well. So yeah, this is important. And for me, no,
Mm-hmm.
saving is most important, but
Mm-hmm.
earning is more important than saving. We must work hard.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose we are involved in any jobs where we are working for 8 hours and 10 hours, it means we have more sufficient time to work. We should utilize those time. Suppose one teacher is working for 6 hours, so he or she has a lot of time to for work. So they are doing a lot of tuitions, but not all. If they work like this, then their earning amount will be more. So we should uh, we should focus on that part. How can we increase our earning money? And as you told
Yeah.
the baker, how why this is happened? Why beggar is in our society? Most uh, important thing is family planning. Family planning is not if planning is not working, then bigger will increase. How I am telling you is suppose if we have the 5 6 children, that we will not will not carry them, or it means we will not able
We,
to raise them
we are
in
not
proper
able to
way.
share them.
Proper way.
Yes.
In times our children will not able to earn a more sufficient money to feed their family. Even they are not getting the proper food. In spite of they have the burden of their children. In that time, what they do, they avoid their parents. And in that time, parents become bigger, right? So these are the main reasons. So we should focus on our family planning. And if we have one, two changes, or if both parents are working, I think it's very rare bigger will be in our country. If you notice that maximum beggars are there like this, that's their family planning is not okay. So nobody is there to feed them. It means their sons or their daughter has not enough money to feed their parents. So that's a beggar is available. And if beggars are there, then what happens? Parents are they may be addicted with drugs or alcohol.
Yeah.
So still they have given the birth, but they are not taking care of them. So we should take care in this part. These are the yeah. These two tips, I think, if we focus on these two tips, then definitely it will work. Okay,
Mm. Right, right. Definitely. Yeah, I'm totally agree with you, man. Whatever
Israel.
you start with is true.
Okay, so I am wanting to make our video long because nobody is ready to watch the full video. So
Mm.
I want to wrap up here if you don't mind.
But now we are able to record after some days, we will be not able to record, ma'am, because you know very well. Uh, we have got other app like, Teams app. If you talk, through the Teams apps, then you will not be able to record. Okay.
No, we can connect through the Zoom also.
Yes,
Zoom.
Zoom, you can't record. You can't record.
Yeah, in Zoom we can record.
I have checked. We can improve. You can improve English. We can talk audio call and video call. We can improve English. No problem. We can learn English. But we will not be able to record, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can able to record in Zoom. Suppose if
Mm.
we are in Zoom, no, if we allow you to record, then you will able to record. Or if we have some restriction, then you will not able to record. Because I have
Mhm.
taken two courses through Zoom. In
Okay. Have
WhatsApp,
you used Zoom app?
sorry, yeah, I have used for a few times, but not for my channel. For my channel, I had two Zoom calls, but recorded was not done by me. with whom I have taken the calls, she record that video, and after she sent me also that recorded video in my email address. So I upload that video
Yeah.
in my channel also.
See what will happen. I don't know. It is remaining
Definitely,
1 month.
definitely we'll get one way to work like
Mhm.
this,
Okay,
right?
ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
We will meet again. Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye.